I went out this morning, beautiful hike, and what I'm doing right now is I'm practicing what I'm preaching. So as much as it's in me, I'm an athlete. I really want to go fast. I want to run. I want to work on my speed, but mentally and psychologically, I know that zone 2 work is really important. Luckily, when I'm out here, it's not boring because I have beautiful views. We live in Southern California, which is awesome, and therefore we get to go on these beautiful hikes, walks outside. But what's frustrating is my zone 2 heart rate is way below where probably I need to be running. So instead of running, I have to do a speed walk. Sometimes I have to slow down when I'm on a hill. But I got my Apple Watch right here. It's showing what zones I'm in. And it's always good to keep up with a little bit of that lower end of your zone 2, because that's where you're going to be burning the most fat. My patients are always amazed when they actually go and do zone 2 for 60 minutes, 2 hours, whatever it is. They start losing weight. It's pretty incredible. And not only that, it's body fat. It's not their muscle mass. So there are days where you do need to train hard and you need to be going and doing, high intensity intervals. I specifically target mine to my heart rates. I go into my zone 4, come back down into my zone 2. I do several sets of those. But if you don't know, and you don't have your numbers, go ahead and it's like doing sprints and then letting your body come way back down. Do sprints, let your body come way back down. Now, because of my equipment that I have in my office, I get to have the luxury of figuring out where my zones truly are for me, and I get to use it to my advantage so that I'm working out harder, smarter, and not harder. People are not realizing even when you're at the gym lifting, you're probably in zone 3 or above. Your heart rates are very elevated. So a lot of athletes are struggling. A lot of regular people are struggling because every time they train, they want that pump and they want to work hard. That puts you in zone 3 or above, which is mainly carb burning. So what happens is you become a carb burning machine and your body has no clue how to use fat. I'm at the bottom of my zone 2, so I'm going to speed up a teeny bit. But yeah, it's about working out smarter, not harder. If you're pounding your body 4 or 5 days a week with high intensity interval training, just spoke to my friend the other day. He's been doing F45 for forever, years. And man, I work hard, but yeah, I just don't see the results. Sure, I'm getting stronger, I feel strong, but I'm not making progress. It's stagnant. And I was doing the same thing when I was doing I've done multiple different types of classes. And then when I switched to resistance training, true lifting, progressive overload, that's when I started to see results. Body fat started to come off. Work out smarter, not harder. A lot of you could be overtraining. A lot of you are under eating. It's not about eating less. It's about eating the right amount for whatever your goal is. Trying to bulk up, you got to eat more. You're trying to lean down, you got to eat enough at a small calorie deficit. You go into a major calorie deficit, you're just hurting your metabolism. So look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am grateful and privileged to be in LA. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm an internal medicine physician doctor, board certified in obesity. And I love metabolic health and longevity. So to everyone getting younger and living longer, take care, guys.